In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work on Confluence. Let's start at the very beginning so you can follow along smoothly. Open your browser and head to start.atlassian.com. Log into your account so you're in the right workspace. First, you'll want to locate the right place to put your content. On the left panel, click Spaces, then choose the team or project space where your page belongs. Getting this right helps others find your work later and keeps everything organized. Now let's create your page. In the top navigation bar, click the blue Create button, then select Page. You'll see template options at the bottom. These can save time and give your page a consistent structure, so pick one if it fits your needs or start blank if you prefer. At the top, give your page a clear, searchable title. Think about the keywords your teammates would likely use. A descriptive title ensures the page shows up in search and makes its purpose obvious at a glance. When you're adding content, use the /workflow to keep things fast and consistent. For structure, don't rely on bold text for titles. Instead, type H2 and press Enter for your main section headings and H3 for subsections. Proper headings improve readability and power features like the table of contents. To enhance your content with dynamic tools, type /anywhere to open the menu. Add a table by typing table if you need to compare items or track details. Keep your headers clear so the data is easy to scan. For callouts or reminders, type info or tip to insert a colored box that highlights key notes. To add a date, type and select the deadline or event, which makes timelines more visible. To separate sections and improve visual flow, type divider. If you're managing action items, create checkboxes by typing square brackets followed by a space. Write the task description and then type the @ symbol and choose the teammate you're assigning it to. Mentions keep ownership clear and send a helpful notification. For longer pages, insert a table of contents right at the top of your content area. Place your cursor there, type TOC and press Enter. It automatically pulls your headings to build an outline, making navigation effortless. When everything looks good, click the blue Publish button in the top right. That's it, your page is live and neatly filed in the right space. Thanks for watching and happy documenting in Confluence.